rice soft tofu bar. We're about to wrap last scene of the day, and we're about to. Good morning and welcome to today's video. Today I'm doing what I eat in a day, and today I start off my day, it's 4:58 and I start off my day with food. So I wake up at 3 a.m. and I get here around like 4:30, and this is what I have for today. Cooked white rice soft tofu stew mix, and then I have that with some seaweed. We're opening now, 5 a.m. So I got a couple snacks. I got a protein bar, some sweet and sour nuts, and then I got some popcorn, white cheddar. I'm gonna snack on these until the end of my shift, and then yeah. Okay, it's 2:28. I had my last snacks. I don't always have snacks during the workday, but recently I've just been a little bit more snacky. That's usually what happens. I'll eat my breakfast / lunch in the morning around like 5, and then may have like a little bit of snacky snacks, or maybe even a whole other lunch at work. And then I'll come home and work out, or I'll work out at work after work. And then after that, I'll make dinner. Sometimes I'll come back up and eat. I do eat a lot, y'all. I do eat a lot, but this is pretty typical for a day of what I eat. Pretty typical. Maybe I'll do like 2 or 3 of these in a row so you could really get a whole sense of how I eat. I'm not as precise as I'd like to be. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not, but I kind of just eat what I want. Yeah. All right, so right now I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm doing a 5-mile run. I still have the Levain cookies here. I honestly, whenever I do those reviews, I take a bite and then I either give it away or I can't eat the whole thing. It's just too much sugar. Anyway, it's 2:30. I'm gonna go to the gym around 2:45-ish, and then I have to edit, upload, and then cook dinner. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, y'all, so it is currently 4:18. I just finished up with my run. So now I'm gonna eat the rest of the mapo tofu that I cooked yesterday in yesterday's video for my review or my taste test. And then I'll show you guys that. And then honestly, after that, I think I'm just gonna make dinner, which is gonna be quinoa and chicken. And that's pretty much all for today. The run usually takes a long time, and yeah, so I'll see you guys when I have it all heated up. Still have some more left. I'm watching Singles Inferno, and I'm about to edit and then upload for you guys, and then get ready making dinner. All right.
You okay?
Okay, so I've edited and uploaded, and now it's about like 8 o'clock, and I have to make lunch for tomorrow. So I'm gonna make some quinoa and chicken, and that should be really fast. So I'm not gonna talk during it. We're just gonna speed through.
because it was almost done anyways. But I'll only do fucking barely. It's just gonna be tough.
Okay, so this is what I'm having. It's just fried rice with some chicken, and then it's Cajun chicken. It doesn't really go together, but whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was my microwave. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Comment your go-to, I don't have any groceries, this is what I'm gonna make for lunch recipe that you guys make. It's late. I'm gonna head to bed. And I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Bye.